Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So most of the students are having doubt regarding the Eamcet rank. For example, if a student get 540 marks in the intermediate and 50 marks in TS Eamcet 2020, what will be the expected rank of him? Make sure to watch this video completely. In this video I am going to show you how to calculate TS Eamcet 2020 expected rank. Before starting with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So this is the website where you can calculate your TS Eamcet 2020 expected rank. So here you can find TS Eamcet 2020 rank estimator. So the link of this website I will be providing in the description. By that you can directly calculate your TS Eamcet 2020 expected rank. So here you can see that in the first box Eamcet marks. So in the first box you should have to enter your Eamcet marks. For example, I am entering here 50 marks. Then in the second box you should have to enter your IPE marks. The IPE marks should be of only subjects including practicals of second year. So the maximum total will be 600. So for example, I am entering here 550 marks. Then after entering these details you should have to click on estimate my Eamcet rank. So after clicking on this button you can see two streams, engineering and agriculture. So as agriculture exams are not completed till now, so you can see engineering. So here you should have to choose your caste. So for example, I am choosing here BCE caste. So after clicking on this, your TS Eamcet 2020 expected rank will be shown here. So your Eamcet marks are 46.35. So here you can see that 46.35 Eamcet rank is 34,844 for BCE caste. So like this you can check your TS Eamcet 2020 expected rank. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. And if you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section and make sure to join my WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description.